Hi, Jadon.
Hi. Let's look for the queen chicken. We just put one on the top that we built. Come look at it. Cool, isn't it? Want to see the chickens? The chickens are awesome. That one moves, ran so fast. This is the light we got. We got the shed from my old house when I was a baby. Here's the food box. All the food is in it. And they have pretty much some candy and love bugs. No possums and fox skin in, I hope. Here's my dead coat. We got the food and the water. There's a bucket under the water. It's painted, and that was the biggest one I found. So it has a light on it. It's decorated, and it keeps the water warm. And this time of the year, it's winter. These chickens dig, and that's bad. We need more of the wood chips. Not very much. They're digging holes. It's not what I thought. We're gonna get some more things to this, then we can videotape it again. My name is Jadon. Bye.